Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today I am walking, as you can see, in Lawrence, Kansas. If you're not in Kansas, this is the site of University KU, or better known as the Jayhawks. So if you ever watch basketball, March Madness, they're usually in the tournament. So but again, today the actual KU, their car club, is hosting a car show here in Lawrence. So wanted to get out. We have a beautiful weather. It's literally 70 degrees, which doesn't happen very often here in Kansas, if you've ever been. So wanted to come out and see what type of cars they are. I know there's going to be some of the guys from my from the GTR group, so I want to see how many come out as well and say hi, and just kind of go from there. So let's see what they got, and hope you enjoy this. Yeah, looks like quite a few people, or undergrads or grad students, as you see, come out. Tennis courts are full, volleyball courts are full. So if you've never been here, again, this is the campus.
At the next stop sign, take...
Alright guys, so we are at Jayhawk Boulevard, and let's see what we got.
Two shots of vodka. And then there's like over by like Wesco, the building over here. There's all kinds of shit parked on the thing.
So how long is this street? Yeah, I mean, it's like a quarter of a mile.
It goes all the way down to that brown house right there.
Oh,
at the very end,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
That giant big ass house, yeah. Did you graduate? Yeah. Finance and marketing.
So you graduated from?
I'm full of shit.
Yeah,
I dropped out.
Oh,
You knew that. You knew I was messing with him. I was messing with him because I've told him this multiple times before. No.
Yeah.
Wait, dude.
Oh wow.
I met the guy that has the highest horsepower version of my car in the world, and he was like, "You want to see what I just did last week?" I was like, "Sure." Sends me a video of him running at red eye in the quarter mile. I was like, "You did what?" Here's some of the GTR guys.
Oh, okay.
And the dude with the yellow Supra.
Some here.
Yes.
Oh.
I didn't know if you knew his name or not. Yes.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Oh wow. I almost missed this. $15? Wow. Oh, I love delivery. This small. We have a Corvette right next to it. Looks like there's muscle cars. Oh, that's the KU. fun. Yeah, that rear. Oh. Who's Logic carbon fiber rear diffuser. So I'm seeing these more and more. I really like this. I wish this came stock, but these are the Nismo. Carbon fiber side vents. Again, carbon fiber steering wheel. This wing is insane. It's almost like a R33 or Nismo. It's almost like a two-piece with the blade inserted. It's nuts.
This guy trying to be like me, right? Who's this guy?
Then we have this one.
He would pop his hood for that. I'd be embarrassed about it.
Let's go. Then Camaro. We have another R35 right here. I believe this is a 2015. So it's a DBA. So it's one rendition sooner. Carbon fiber. Pause it.
I see you, I'm gonna pull you over and say hi.
And this one is.
It's good, it's good.
Jay, what? This is
Yeah? I know the guy who owned the Midwest plant.
and this is a black edition. So if you know your GTRs, this was the next trim up. It came with the Caro seats, the carbon fiber wing, a stock one. That was, yeah, this one is wrapped. This beautiful purple. So yeah, we have MK5 Supra. We have a GTR. We have another GTR. And we have Camaro. And then we have another GTR. And then we have another GTR. And across here we do have a Mach 2. There as well.
Oh, you got the red one out there?
I
I saw that. That's nice. Yeah, I've been going. This gas station, this hangar facility.
Oh, wow. Here's the Subarus. This is a pretty one. Pretty decent turnout. It goes all the way down.
Don't stand too close to the car.
Thing.
They have a mic right here, though.
Alright. So far guys, please comment. Let me know which car you guys, which one is your favorite? You like the muscle, imports, European? Let's see what's down here, further down. Mustang, Audi, V8 twin turbo. So this one is an A6, an 8, or just S. Yep. Yep, S6. I love these cars. I love these. This is, I used to have a silver one just like this, and I love this car. V8 twin turbo. You can tune it, and this white is really nice. Okay. Alrighty, let's go down. BMW Pro 06.
It's a steering wheel. That's the issue.
One of the million Miatas.
Okay, well now I'm in a decent driving position. And then if I get out, your knees are shaking. You don't know, one of the secret? Just tip in. Get out. Okay, that'll work. Stop.
Oh, wow. 350Z. And 4 Audi, and we have some old cars as well. Camaro and a Corvette. And this is the end of the road. Actually pretty good. Pretty nice turnout. Again, given the white, really nice weather. It is. So the car show is over. It's 1 o'clock as you hear. I am pretty much heading back, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, we had 6 GTRs, 607, a couple of Supras, a couple of beautiful Porsche. Again, you know, Trans Ams, Mustangs. We had it was a pretty cool turnout. Again, I've never been part of it. So apparently they do organize this quite often, so didn't know. Anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed it. Please, as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share if you can, and let me know in the comments, like, what car was your favorite out of all of them? Because again, they had a 180 MR2. I mean, you know, it was a quite a, you know, array of different cars. So I'm really curious to see or hear what you guys thought. You know, what was your favorite car, what you liked. You know, if you guys want to see something else, just let me know. So I would love to, you know, have a conversation. And again, hope to, you know, see you next time on the next video. Everybody have a great weekend.